Welcome to Unlocking SweetCommerce, a series of tutorials, how-tos, and guides guaranteed to make SweetCommerce easy. Hi, I'm Fran, Project Management Officer at Tevano team, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the shopping cart in SweetCommerce. The shopping cart includes all the items the shopper has decided to purchase. On the left side of your cart, you can see the order summary section. This section shows a subtotal of items. The shopper can input their zip code to estimate their shipping cost and tax to get a more accurate order summary. Several settings control the shipping estimator. It displays the estimated shipping cost based on the shipping estimator preference selected by the website administrator. Note that the preference setting you select may not apply to a particular customer. For example, you may choose a default shipping method that is not available for one specific customer address. In this case, a system of precedence determines the preference used to calculate the estimated shipping cost. To estimate shipping cost, the shipping estimator only requires customers to enter a postal code and to select a country. To use a shipping estimator, go to Commerce, Website List. Click Edit next to the website you want to modify. Go to the Setup tab and check Enable Shipping Estimator in Cart. Then go to the Shopping sub-tab and make a selection from the Shipping Estimator preference list. After selecting a shipping estimator preference, the shipping estimator uses your selection to calculate the estimated shipping cost for the website customer. You can choose from the following options. Lowest price shipping item shows the lowest priced shipping method available for the shopper's address. Default web store shipping item shows the default shipping method selected for the website. You can choose the default setting on the setup website page. Company default shipping method shows a shipping method set as default for the company. You can select it at setup, accounting, shipping. Customer's previous shipping method shows a shipping method that the shopper used on their previous order. And you're done! Now you're ready to make the most of the shopping cart feature in your SweetCommerce website. Give it a try. Subscribe to our channel for more SweetCommerce tutorials and don't forget to turn on the notifications. See you next time.